Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 1 says your company produces wall clocks. One model with a circular face has a radius of 4 inches. How much material is needed for the face of the clock? And it says to use 3.14 as an approximation for pi. So the question asks how much material is used in the face. This is a question of area, and specifically an area of a circle. So I can draw a picture to help model that situation, just a simple clock face, and I can label that the radius is 4 inches, just to help me visualize. And then I can use the formula for the area of a circle. Area of a circle is equal to pi times the radius squared. So the area is what I'm looking for, so A will equal. The problem tells me to use 3.14 as an approximation for pi, and my radius in the problem that I drew in the diagram is 4 inches. So I'll substitute 4 for the radius, and that's squared. And then I can go ahead and simplify. First I'm going to square 4, so I will have 3.14 as the approximation of pi. 4 squared is 4 times 4, which is 16. And then if I multiply 3.14 times 16, I can punch that into a calculator. I would find the area of the clock is 50.24. And so we would need 50.24 square inches of material to make this particular clock.